Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, did this analysis on Wednesday, and it was a very rough day on this one, but bring up the analysis on Wednesday part because that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from, and that's also where the first updates are going to come into play. First thing, though, I'm just going to get rid of that line up there. Yeah, that level pertains, just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first big update that comes into play, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch the video, I did on this one on Wednesday, I talked about 38 cents being a level of support, but now that the price just crashed down below there, that would be the main level of resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, that first big roadblock going to be right there at the 38 cent mark. So keep a close eye on that. But given the amount of downwards momentum that formed today, in my opinion, at least, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance or anything like that. It's more so about just trying to find some sort of area where the price might find some consolidation and finally stop going down. So from the support side of things, the next level that really stands out, and I think a lot of people will be watching this area because this is one of those levels that just makes itself abundantly clear, is down there at the 32 cent mark. And I say that because you go back here and you can see just a whole bunch of times the price bounced right off that area right there. So keep a close eye on that, 32 cents. Not saying the price is headed down there, but if it does, like I said, that's going to be definitely a very, very important level, because if the price were to go down there and actually not stay above it and break down through there, well, then at that point, it would literally be putting the price right back to where it was at these lows. So in other words, that would imply that the price made an awesome move to the upside only to go right back to where it was, which another, terminology for that would be a pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying that's what's going to occur, but that is why, in my opinion, 32 cents is a very, very important level to watch moving forward. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.